Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
can
So
you
you're
hear me?
back? Yes, I can.
Yeah, I'm back. Okay,
So glad to
great.
see
How
you.
are you? How have you been?
Oh,
Same
I'm
here, same here.
good. I'm doing very well.
Okay.
Thank you. And yes, so tell me, how have you been doing so far?
I have been doing great. It was a great time. Like
Mhm.
year ending was great. Then New
Mhm.
Year is also going fine. So yeah,
Okay,
I'm
awesome. All
having
right.
fun.
What about your YouTube channel? Are you posting new contents on there?
You actually new content I cannot say because as I
Hmm.
have taken break from Clapingo, so I was uploading all the old videos which I have
Okay.
got from Clapingo, and now I think yes, I'll definitely upload new videos as I have taken the
Mhm.
subscription since February. Yeah,
Okay, okay. So you just started this month.
yeah, I have just started this month because I have been
Okay.
busy in last month especially. That's why. Yes.
Okay, okay. All right. Were you busy with work or were you busy with something else?
Uh, I cannot say I was busy with work because in December, my brother's marriage was in December. Then I have
Okay.
planned a trip to Himalaya, and that's why.
Oh, that's
So I
so
was
nice to
taking
hear.
a break. Yes,
Okay, okay,
yes.
all right. So tell me about the trip. How was it?
Oh my God, the trip was so good because we have been planning that since long time, but due to COVID or due to some restrictions, we were delaying that trip, and finally, we
Hmm.
executed that in the month of, I think, in December ending only.
Okay,
So
okay,
yeah, it was great. It was great. Yes,
okay. Awesome. So did you go with your friends or with family?
yes, with friends, not with family. Because
Okay,
if I would have planned with family, I think I was not able to execute it. So that's why I think
okay.
when the trip with friends, I think somehow we managed to
Hmm.
convince friends, but not family. Family is always like
Yeah.
restrictions are there, COVID and all
Yes,
this and that.
that's so
Yes,
true. Yes, when you go with family, then there will be a lot of restrictions. You won't be able to have fun, right? Yeah,
exactly.
that's so
No,
true.
we can have fun, but I think when you go with family, the fun is different, and when you go with friends, the fun is different. I think
Yeah,
with friends,
yeah.
there are no restrictions, so you can do
Hmm.
whatever you want to do. But with
Yeah, that's
family,
true.
you have to think twice before doing anything. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's so true. Right. So, all right. So, have you gone through the session notes?
Session document, I think it's dessert. Am I pronouncing it correct?
Dessert. Yeah.
Dessert,
Yeah. I did not go through the
dessert,
session document
dessert.
because I had a session just before this session, so I did not have time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you
So,
tired or what?
no, I'm all right. Why do you think that I'm
Okay.
tired? Do I look tired?
No, as I know that you work somewhere in a bank or maybe, and then
Yes.
you have taken sessions also. That's why I'm asking. And I think it may be your last or second last session,
My
if
last.
I'm not
This is
wrong.
my last session. Last session.
Yeah,
Last session.
that's why I'm asking.
I take sessions for 2 hours every day. That is how I work.
Okay.
Yes, just for 2 hours. So from 8 till 10, that is my time. So after that, I don't take
Okay, so you're
sessions,
used to
and
it.
I am used to it. Right now, yes, I am used to it. But sometimes, yes, I become tired. But today, I'm all right. I'm not that tired.
Okay.
Sometimes I become
Great,
exhausted,
great,
and
great.
yeah, it'll be hard for me to interact with the learners. But today, I'm all right. I'm not that exhausted. I'm okay. So it's about
Okay,
desserts,
great, great.
right?
Desserts.
So yeah. So what is your favorite dessert?
Okay, so dessert, I think ice cream first comes to my mind because I
Hmm, hmm,
think
hmm, hmm.
that you scream, we always scream for ice cream. So that's how it
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
Ice cream
That is
is
true.
like first thing came into my mind, and then second one is I like one dish that is Bengali sweet rasgulla. I like that
Oh
a
yeah, I
lot.
know. I
So
know that. It's the white
yeah,
colored, fluffy, squishy
yes, yes,
ball.
right, right.
Yes, it's very
What? Yeah,
delicious. Rasgulla. I like
it's
gulab
super
jamun more
delicious.
than I like gulab jamun than
Rasgulla.
rasgullas. Hmm. Yeah,
Okay,
rasgullas
I
also.
think gulab
Rasgullas
jamuns
are
are
sweet.
more yeah, and gulab jamuns are softer than rasgulla.
Yes,
So maybe that's
yes,
why.
yes, yes. Yeah, I like the small gulab
Gulab
jamuns.
jamuns. Okay, so yeah, yeah. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
I used to
So
bring those small gulab jamuns in office for birthdays and all, because
okay.
people come to wish to you, so you should give them some sweet. So I used to bring that in the office.
Mm-hmm.
Used to.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, that's
Right.
also good.
Mm-hmm. So what are the other desserts that you like?
And cupcakes, pastries. I think pastries are very common. I mean,
Yeah,
pastries are something I can have a lot.
all day long.
So yeah, basically I like.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, but it should not like over sweet. I mean, the flavors are there, no. So I like some specific flavors only. I cannot have all kind of pastries. So yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right.
what's yeah,
Now,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, you're asking something?
No,
Were you
I
about
was
to ask
also
something?
asking like, what's your favorite dessert?
Dessert. Okay. So my favorite dessert, I have plenty of desserts on my mind, but my favorite has to be, well, I can't think of anything right now, but gajar ka halwa. I like gajar ka halwa.
Oh, 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 yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Good one,
yeah, and also kheer.
good
Also
one.
kheer. We have so many
Kheer.
wide varieties of. Yeah, we have lots of uh, different types of kheers over here in Kerala. So we have something
Mm-hmm.
called palada. Palada. Palada is
Palaka. Okay.
pal ada. Pal ada. Pal means milk, and ada,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what ada is. It's like rice, but it's not rice. It's something else. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, so what happens is that it is a long process. It almost takes around three hours to make this particular kheer. So you have to churn the
Okay.
milk, and then you have to churn it really nicely, and the milk becomes very thick, and that is when you put the other stuff in. You can put nuts if you want, and then you can put the ada itself, and then you stir it nice and fine, and that is how you get palada. It's very delicious. It's extremely
Okay.
delicious. So that is something that I
I
love.
I I think it's a kind of kheer only, but I think
Yeah.
uh, that dish takes a lot of time than kheer.
Hmm.
I think we can
Yes.
make
Yes.
kheer within an hour. Takes maybe
Oh,
yeah, but that
this is yeah, this is probably time consuming than the normal kheer because you have to stir a
yeah,
lot.
yeah.
So what we
I
do
think it
is,
would be more delicious
yes, yes, exactly, yeah.
than
So
kheer. Yeah.
the more time you stir it, you churn it. That is how
Mm-hmm.
delicious it becomes. So
Oh, wow.
yeah, that's how you should try it actually. You can Google it, and
Yeah.
you can buy an instant palada mix from the store. If you have any South Indian
Okay.
stores, or if you go to a normal shop itself, there might be these things
Is
available.
it palada?
Instant palada. Yes, correct, correct. Palada.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If I
I
have to
have a
spell it, I
friend who
can
is
say.
South Indian.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
I'll ask
I
her.
think it's PALADA. PALADA. Palada.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
ask your
Yeah.
friend.
I'll.
You'll know.
Yes, and I'll search on YouTube also, like
Hmm.
recipe. I
Yeah,
think
yeah, yeah.
it will available on YouTube.
Yeah, it will be available, and there are so many ways to make this palada, but I think the finest way is to go do the hard work. That is when it becomes really delicious. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how it is.
All right.
All right. So how often do you consume your desserts? I mean, these desserts.
Okay. So I think it is like a compulsory thing for few people, or it is mandatory for a
Yeah.
few people to have sweet after dinner or after lunch.
Yeah.
But it's not for me. I think it depends on my cravings. If I crave for
Hmm.
a sweet dish, so then only I'll have it. Otherwise, I'm not sweet tooth,
Sweet tooth.
sweet teeth,
Well, I'm not. Yeah,
right?
yeah. I know sweet tooth, but I don't think you can use this on
I
this
don't have a
context.
sweet tooth. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. That's
I'm
what I'm
not
asking.
sure.
How to use that?
Yeah, you know what? I'm
Okay.
not familiar with that. I'm not familiar with that. I'll actually let the next
Okay.
tutor. Yeah, I have heard about it, but I have not. I don't use it, so I'm not really familiar with this particular word, sweet
Okay.
tooth. I don't know the usage. I'm not aware of it.
Actually,
So,
I read it. I read it in the session document that I have a sweet tooth, but I want to use it in a different context. Like I don't have, or I'm not. So
oh,
that's why
okay, okay, all right, okay,
I
yeah.
can simply say I don't have sweet tooth. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah. So sweet tooth, I guess it's just a craving, right? Does
Yeah,
that?
someone who likes
Yeah.
to eat sweets a lot. That
Yes.
type
Yes.
of.
That. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Right. So yes. So you don't have a sweet tooth.
No,
Me too.
I
Me too.
can't say. I mean, yeah, I would love to have savory. Savory.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's. Is it a correct word? Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Savory is
mean,
correct. Yeah.
namkeen. I want to say
Yeah. Snacks. Yeah.
instead of
Like.
sweet. Yeah,
Yeah.
snacks.
Right.
I would
Right. Even I
prefer
like snacks.
savory.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You can say it. I would prefer. I prefer savory stuff over sweets.
over sweets.
Yeah. You can say
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
Okay. Right. Are you cautious? Are you cautious about your calorie intake?
No, not at all. I'm very thin, so I don't think about it at all.
Yeah.
I cannot even think about it. I think I can consume a lot of sweet or whatever I can have. I don't
Hmm.
like get. I don't gain weight easily, so that's not the
Okay.
issue for me. I'm blessed.
Wow.
I can say.
Yeah, you are. You
Yeah,
are. You are very blessed indeed. Because I always
exactly.
think twice. I always think twice before eating something, even if it's
Oh my god, is it?
sweets or is it oil fried. I mean, deep fried food. I always think and eat. I only consume a little bit because I have this tendency of getting a lot fatter because yeah, that's the way I am. So I don't consume a lot of
Okay.
food.
Oh
I
my
only eat
god.
two chapatis. I only eat two chapatis for lunch and two chapatis for dinner. That's it. So in between, I don't eat anything, and I consume a lot of water.
Oh.
So yeah, that's how it is.
Oh my God. I feel so bad for
Yeah.
those people who cannot like eat whatever they want just because they're health conscious,
Mm.
or maybe they are afraid of gaining weight and all.
Mm.
So,
Yeah. Yeah,
so
but
bad.
I prefer it this way actually. I prefer it this way because I eat a lot of salads and then
Okay.
a lot of fruits and veggies as well. So that's how my diet is. I like keeping it that way. But even then, I'm actually getting a lot fatter because I sit I sit on a chair and I work. So that is the problem. Like I
Yeah,
don't
whole
move
day.
around
Yeah, that's the
whole
problem.
day. So that is the main issue.
I can
That is why
understand
I'm
that. Yeah,
that's why I'm gaining weight.
that's
So
the
I have
issue.
to.
I think. Yeah, and I think ever since we're working from home, it's the issue for a lot of people now that
Correct.
they are becoming health conscious because they have to sit all the day and work. And on the contrary, when we were going to office, I think we were like getting those breaks, and we were
Yeah.
walking, and yeah, coffee breaks and all. But as we're working
Mm-hmm.
from home, I think we are not taking breaks on time, and that's why it's impacting on our
Yes,
health.
that
So
is correct.
yes,
That is correct. Right.
I think
Right.
you are
Yeah.
not working from home.
No, I'm
No,
not
right?
working from. No, no, I cannot work
Okay,
from
okay,
home. I have
okay,
to
then it,
have to go.
yeah.
I have to
You were
go
a
there.
bank employee, so that's why, right?
Yeah. Yes, exactly. So I'm an officer at this bank, so I have to go. I have to work there, and it's just so stressful. And yeah, from morning 9:30 till evening 6 or 6:30, I sit at one position. I don't move from there, except for just
Oh,
using the washroom. That's it.
breaks.
Apart from that, I'm just
Okay.
always I'm in a very stationary position, so I don't like it at all. So yeah, that's how it
Okay.
is. Right.
I can see that on your face. I mean, the way you're
Yeah.
expressing your work schedule.
Yeah, it's
So, like,
so stressful.
when you compare your office work, do you enjoy taking sessions on Clappingo?
Of course. This is the best part of my day, when I interact with learners.
Oh,
Seriously, that's why I've not stopped clapping go. Even before I got this job, I was a tutor. So I did not stop,
okay.
these sessions. I wanted to take it because I wanted to, get a relief from the workload at my bank. So that is why I'm taking sessions. So I
Yeah.
enjoy this a lot. I enjoy interacting with the learners a lot. So yeah, that's how it is. I think
And
we
I
are
think
running out
it's a
of time.
change. Yeah.
Yeah.